Hi M.A.J. Customs fam, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I'm Amanda. If not, welcome back. Okay you guys, so today we are working on something fun. We are working on sublimating on some face towels. Now the face towels I was able to finally get my hands on are from Dollar Tree, and they are 100% polyester. Okay, this is what they look like. They come in a pack of 5. And you guys, I only was able to get my hands on a pack of 2 of these, okay? So if you guys are doing sublimation and this is something that you want to get off into, I say grab them when you see them, because I have not been able to find them anywhere, and I just found some about 2 weeks ago and they only had 2 packs left. So I grabbed both of them. So anyhow, this is what we're working on today. So without further ado, y'all, let's get into this video so I can show you guys everything I use, paper size of your design, and all that good stuff, okay? All right, let's go. Okay everyone, so first things first, you're going to want to use 11 by 17 sublimation paper as well. It doesn't have to be this brand. You can use A-Sub. I have both A-Sub and Blanks Galore. With Blanks Galore, you don't need butcher paper. If you guys have watched any of our previous sublimation videos, I do explain that in those videos as well. Blanks Galore, you don't need butcher paper. You will also need a lint roller, heat resistant tape to tape your image down, and of course your sublimation towels. And you will also need a sublimation printer with sublimation ink. Okay, that's how all this is going to come together in the end. And you will also need a heat press. Okay, my settings for my heat press, you guys, at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. All right, so for my design, I have it printed back here, and I'm just going to cut this out by hand. Now for the design, the towel size, you guys, and it says it right in front that the size of the towels is 11 inches by 11 inches. And when I went to press it, my first design, I did 10.5 by 10.5 inches, so 10.5 in height and 10.5 in width. When I went to press my design, I was literally like borderline touching the top of the stitch. So my design was like touching, yeah, top and bottom, and I kind of wanted it in the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, you guys, and we're gonna get ready to press this. For this design size, I took it down to 10.3 in height by 10.3 in width. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out and come back so we can press it together. And if you guys can see back here, we've been working on a whole bunch of football t-shirts as well, you guys. This is just one of the few that we've done did. So yeah, the customers wanted matching face towels to go with the kids school jerseys that they're wearing for their teams. Okay, all right you guys, so I will be back after I cut this out with just some scissors. And the reason I'm doing that is because, you guys, I did a towel. This is it. Look at this. There's a line going, and you can barely see it, but I notice it. It's going up and down by the 3, and it was not in the design. It wasn't on the paper, so I don't know where it came from. So I don't want that mistake to happen again. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut as close to my design as possible, and that way hopefully we don't have any more mistakes. Okay you guys, so I will cut this out and then I will be back. Okay you guys, so as I was cutting my design, my bottom one is mirrored. I don't know why my top one is not mirrored. So as I was cutting it, I realized it isn't mirrored. So I gotta reprint this out, you guys. So I'm gonna reprint this, cut it out, and then I'll be back. Remember to mirror your design though when doing sublimation, okay? Okay you guys, so as I'm cutting my design out, I noticed there is a line really light. So I'm gonna cut as close to my 3 as I can to get that line out of there, okay? Because like I said, we don't want no more mistakes. But thankfully I saw that. Yeah, yep, I saw that. So right there, there's a line, a light line. All right you guys, so I just thought I'd show you that. So pay attention to your designs. If you do come across any ink marks that you don't know where they came from, yeah, pay close attention to your paper. Okay everyone, so I'm back, and as you can see, I cut around my design as close as possible, and I made sure I cut that line off that I was showing you guys. All right, so my towel is already on the heat press, and like I said, make sure you lint roll, because you don't want, sublimation is very tedious. We don't want no mistakes to happen, so lint roll, lint roll, lint roll. Okay, and don't forget to mirror your design, you guys. Please don't forget to mirror. I showed earlier in the video what happened. I don't even know how my design flipped though, when the first one I showed you guys. Yeah. All right, that should be good enough. Now I'm going to place this where I want it to be. And as you can see, you guys, I want it under the stitch. I don't want it on the stitch, over the stitch. And if you lift it up in the light, you kind of can see where your image is gonna lay. Now I did say you can use heat transfer, heat resistant tape. I'm not gonna use it, but you're supposed to. Okay. And I think that is good right there, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, you don't need butcher paper for the blanks galore, but because I have a habit, it's just a habit since doing sublimation, I'm gonna do it anyways. Light to medium pressure for the heat press though. If you see this right here, this towel has that tint blue. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a tint blue. I believe that was a blowout. That's when your ink just spread. It's like a shadow. So I figured my pressure was too heavy, so I lined my pressure up, which gave me a way better. This one's it right here. Came out way better. Okay, this one is great. No mistakes on this one. Now, oh wait, no, this is one of the ones. I'm gonna show you guys what happened on this towel. But this is one of the ones here that had a blowout as well. This was my final, the one that came out great. But one second, you guys, I'm gonna show you what happened on one of the towels. Okay. A lot of times, if you use butcher paper though, be careful because the towel will stick to the butcher paper, but not in a bad way. You just lightly peel it off. Okay, you guys, so we have a great press for this one. Okay, this one came out really good, really good. Okay, so now what I was going to show you guys is, if you do, let me get myself in the camera, if you do go for these towels, remember this one here is a great one too. Okay, but if you get a blowout, remember to lighten your pressure. All right, you guys, if you get a blowout, lighten pressure. If this happens to you, it's melted right there, and it is on the design as well. So I'm assuming it was a part of the towel that something, I don't know if it wasn't coated properly or something happened right there, but it did melt right there in that little section. And I'm not giving this to the customer because it's hard. It's hard right there, you guys. Okay, so again, this is fun to do because you can put anything on here. You can put any design for anybody, you know, birthday, holidays, Christmas is coming. So yeah, you guys, I think they came out really cute, and they're going to match the kids' jerseys and their school teams that they're with. All right, okay, you guys, so this is the end of this video. I thought I would bring y'all along to make some of these. All right, and so yeah, you guys, if you guys like this video, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Like I said, we try to answer every question that we see in the comments section. We honestly do try to answer you guys back. So yeah, you guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see y'all in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.